girls, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and share with you what I got in my BoxyCharm box for the month of October. I'm so excited. I've been seeing the sneak peeks and I'm gonna show you what I got in my box. If you want to see what I got, keep watching. So the first thing I see is my card right here. Tons of candy, blood, scissors, super cute. It says BoxyCharm Candy Shop. Enjoy the exclusive member discounts at online pop-up. And on the back, like always, it does have the description on the products that I received. And today I got the box 53. And the hashtag for this month is Boxy Candy Shop. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what I got. The first thing I see is this right here. It says Luxie. Not sure what this is. Maybe makeup brushes. So it comes in this, yeah, it's makeup brushes. This little canvas, well, I don't know if it's canvas. Yeah, it's canvas. Comes with this canvas bag right here. And then there's brushes on the inside. So you get all the brushes right here. They tell you the names on them. Like that. So you got medium angled shading brush right here. And you got large shader right here. Then you have tapered blending right here. Then you have just a basic blending, which is right there. And then brow and lash spoolie. Okay. So I have brushes. Cute. Let's read about them. So these right here are Luxie Wonderlust set. Create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them in your Luxie pouch for a glam on the go. And these retail for $40. Well, that is good to know. Okay, so I got that. The next thing I see is from Ace Beauty. Right here, it says a lip liner. It says duo set. I'm not sure if you can see that. It does say lip liner duo set. So, oh, look at these colors. So you got Be Peachy and then So Gorgeous. These two right here. So this one right here is Be Gorgeous. So smooth. And then this one is Be Peachy. Oh, those are really pretty colors. I'm definitely gonna pop these in my bag. So cute. So these two right here are the Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner Duo. The Draw It lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base. Ah, look at there. There's a sharpener at the bottom. So a little sharpener comes out. That is so cute. I love that. Because you don't want to have to lug around a sharpener. Right, ladies? Okay. So yes, for sure, there's a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner's tip, and these retail for $16. That's so cute. So excited. Okay, the next thing I see is this right here. It's from Dose of Color. And I love their products. This is a full coverage concealer. Love the packaging. Here's the applicator. And this one is in the shade Medium Tan. So I'm excited to definitely try this out. Let me swatch that for you guys. So, do it right here. So yeah, that's a really good concealer color. Really good. Okay, so let's read about this. So this one, Dose of Color Meet Your Hue Concealer. This multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. And this retails for $24. So I'm definitely gonna be using this for sure, because I'm actually out of concealer. But okay, the next thing I see is this right here from Symbios. Symbios, I think it is. Right here, it's an under eye tightening eye mask. Okay, tightening eye mask. It says hyaluronic acid and Julian. Symbiosis London is tightening resplendent eye mask. A revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask and a cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, Julian, and as well as shea butter, and it works to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and or dark circles. And this retails for $93. Wow. Okay. Made in the EU. I'm excited to try this for sure. Okay. So last but not least, I see this palette right here. Katty. Sorry if I'm butchering that name. Oh, this palette is so gorgeous. And it's an 18-piece palette. And let's look at the colors. Look at those colors. They're so gorgeous. So there's 18 colors. So I'm gonna start with one. It's really light. Yeah, so it's like super light, super sheer. So that's the first one. And the next one is more of a shimmery one. So there's like a couple of bold ones, but here we go. Hoping you can see these. There you go. It's got more of a shimmer. Then the next one is a gold, which is really, not sure if I got enough on there. Gold. The next one is more of like a shimmery. That's pretty. And the next one is a blue shimmery one. That's really pretty. Right there. A darker blue. Then we move on to the pinks. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a rose color. That color there. It's like a mermaid teal. It's like a rust color. Bolder one. Here. These are so soft. And a lighter one there. Then I'm going to use my other arm and do the last 6. So this one's more of like a gold, like a copper color. If you can see it, there's that copper one. And this one's more of like a blue. Like a smoky. Oh, this one's really pretty. This one's like a green. That's really pretty. Then I have like a purple. Light one. It's really pretty too. Then I have a smoky brown. And last but not least, this one looks iridescent. It's like purple and pink. That's really pretty. But these are the colors, you guys. So pretty. I can't even. So that is it, you guys. Those are the colors. Let's go ahead and read about it. So this one says Katy London, New England editor palette. Inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues, mixed and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye looks. And this one retails for $32. So I'm definitely gonna be using this palette. At first when I got it, I can honestly say I was like, I don't think I want it, but I'm definitely gonna use this palette for sure. But that palette and those lippies, I'm so excited. The brushes I might not use, but we'll see. Let me know if you guys want me to do a full face glam with the products that I got with this box. But that's it, you guys. Like I said, I just wanted to hop on here and share with you my BoxyCharm box for the month of, what are we in? October. And that's it, you guys. I hope everyone's doing well, staying safe, and until next time.
Give it to me like